My Hawaiian name is Hi'ilani.
What it means?
Heaven, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh really?
Alright everybody, welcome to another vlog. So we're here at the Washington State Capitol and I'm vlogging with the fam bam out there.
Hi. What are you doing?
So this is my cousin Avea, my favorite cousin.
Thanks.
What can you say about Washington?
It's fine.
What? It's just fine.
But a little bit of Washington DC is more better.
More better in DC?
Because it's the actual White House.
I know, right?
I've
one
been
is just
there
like
before, but I didn't go inside.
this one is just like look alike.
Yeah, a copy.
From
So we're going to Portland, Oregon.
So I'll just make an interview of this girl right
Okay.
here. So what can you say, being a Hawaiian, born and raised in Hawaii, moving here in Washington?
If I move here, I'll get lost easily.
And what make you say that?
Cause can.
Huh?
Cause can.
Can, yeah, it means that
Cause can means when you can do it or when you don't want to do it. Hey, who's standing on the steps?
You're standing in the steps too. You're so funny, Navia.
My Hawaiian name is Hi'ilani.
What it means?
Heaven, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh really? We're right in the Olympian
Peninsula.
lake thingy.
Kamatis din ate.
Mga watag kamatis, guys. This is like,
Radish, kuya?
I don't know what it calls. Doesn't look like kamatis or tomato.
For me, it looks like radishes.
Is it?
But radishes live on the ground.
Looking for them girls with the big old hoops. That dropped it down in Daisy Dukes.
Today, we're going to Oregon State. We just left the resting grounds. I got to say that. And my mom. And Lizelle 2.0. Yeah.
We are in Oregon.
Boundary.
Hello. What is Portland, Oregon sa mga state?
Isang pinaka
Beaver State.
So right now we are at Woodburn
Woodburn.
Woodburn outlet. It's really hot. It's like 102 degrees.
Yes. And it's so hot. We shop a lot, but you know, shop for life. What can you say, Nabs?
What can you say?
Me, I'm tired.
I'm tired and sweaty. We're gonna go to a hotel after this, or we're gonna eat. And when we get to the hotel, I might just jump into the pool.
If there's a pool.
Yeah, if they have a pool. And Lane Bryan. Hi, Odyssey.
Hello. Look, this is
We're in Lane Bryant outlet.
It doesn't say L or X. It says number. Hello.
They're looking for clothes like this one.
This one is cute.
Wow, these are 50% off. And these are 50% off.
Buy one, get one.
Hoy.
Hello. I don't know what to say, but it's cold outside.
No, it's hot.
It's cold outside. It's hot outside the eye.
After this, we might go to Vans or Build-A-Bear Workshop and to get me a bear. And at the Ode's bear. Excuse me. Excuse me. There's nothing that much to say right now, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hi. Okay, so we're inside the
build a bear workshop. So basically, you build your own bear. It's very hot here. The weather is 102 degrees. Anyways, going back on the bear thing, we're here inside the store. It's my first time in this store. So what it is you buy this. You know, you have an option to buy there's an array of selection, okay, of bears and what color you want. The price is $16.50 for one, 2 for 20. And then,
What a steal!
what a steal! Yeah. And then
so
you get to pick your stuff. And then what they do is they fill it up with this thing. Yeah. So they fill it up with this foam thingy. And you can add some scents. Oh, that's cool. But look at the price. Yeah. And then also you have to dress it. Come on. I'll take you to the dress section. So you can also dress your bear. It's also 2 for 20. You can dress it. You can put shoes on it. Look at that. And then Auntie told me that the bear, they're also going to give you a birth certificate for the bear. Fancy. Yeah, I'm just amazed because, you know, as a child, I never experienced this.
I know, right?
Okay, you can also record a voice.
It didn't work.
Alright, it's their turn. Who are you gonna give it to?
Stella Bear.
Stella. Did you record it already?
Yes.
Good.
Stella, teach us to love you so much. Be a good girl, okay?
That's so nice. You're gonna fill it to the fullest?
Rub it on your nose so it always knows you. Rub it on your ear so it's a good listener. Jump up 3 times so it has lots of energy.
I have to jump for
Rub it
Stella.
on your tummy so it gets lots of treats. And then hold it next to your heart. Close your eyes and make a big wish. Once you're done, give that heart a big kiss, okay? Alright.
Nice.
You put
I never get to experience this when I was young.
I had Elmo.
So we're here at Oregon downtown, and we are here at downtown Oregon with the fam bam.
I know, right? You keep repeating yourself, Ekodal.
Well, make this interesting.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Alright, we are here at Oregon Zoo.
To visit Ian's family. Joke lang.
My family. I love my family.
Tell them we're coming today.
Yeah, why not? Coconut.
Did you know we're coming today?
You don't have to yell though. How come you're yelling, right? We're just chewing here.
Oh, he's cute. Hi. I'm here to visit you, okay?
Get up, buddy.
Wow. Wow, you're so lazy.
Yeah, did you see your family, your friends over here?
I can see your family, the monkeys.
You're so mean. What do you say about the zoo?
It's so init.
It's hot. So we are at the Oregon Zoo. We just passed the bobcat. And they made us smell the thing that bobcats do. It was stinky.
Oh, kids playing. We saw mountain goats that looked like crowds.
We're visiting our family members.
Look at my hair. Oh. How do you feel about your family members being caged up?
So they're very very silent.
They're so happy to see us.
Cougars, condors, goats, and curassow. In the Pacific shores, there are polar bears, harbor seals, penguins, sea otters. Discovery zone, leopards, tigers, zoo train, insects, and primate forest, sun bears, Visayan, warty pigs.
Visayan.
Oh, Visayan.
Visayan
Oh, that's your
warty pigs.
member.
That's your member! Your cousin!
Magsit ako. Scoot!
You speak Tagalog.
I don't know how to speak Tagalog.
How do you speak Tagalog?
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yeah. Ikaw ba, Joe? May
Sobrang init.
So this is the entrance from the zoo. This is the main entrance. What kind of fish are those?
I don't know.
You should know. That's your assignment, okay?
What's the heavy?
Wow, 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 wow. Hi there.
Rawr. Nori from Maui.
Yes, Dad. Hurry.
Amo man na siyang gayon sunon biya ha? Oo ah.
So Visayan pig is baboy ramo in Philippines.
Oh, I know what they were doing because that was mud. That was mud. That was a mud pile. They're gonna go in the water because it's hot, Mommy. Keep going into the water because it's hot.
So we are here at the Grotto Grotto prayer place where you can do Stations of the Cross in the Christianity world, and he's digging his boogers.
No, I'm not. Come on.
Okay, and then we are
It's so funny. Give it to me.
we are here at this Mother Mary. Put the screen. Mother Mary prayer. Look how nice it is. There's a lot of chairs. And then if you looked in there, oh my god, my crooked finger. If you look up there, you can see the big statue of Mother Mary. And Henry, would you like to say anything?
So we are on the top of Grotto, and it's called Marilyn Moyer Meditation Chapel.
So we're here with the Station of the Cross. So we're gonna go around and show you guys how it looks like up here. This is where they do the Station of the Cross, and it's really nice. I can't believe we're on top of a mountain. We went to the top of the mountain with just an elevator. So come along with us, okay? The time right now is still 4:30, and after this we still have to stop by Multnomah Falls. I'm tired. I am not fit at all. I don't think I'm fit. This girl is moving.
Meet Miss Cuddles.
Unsa kaskaros?
Go to Build-A-Bear Workshop and get one.
Yeah,
It's
sponsored.
fun. It's fun. We're not sponsored, but it's really fun. Get your daughter one, get your niece one, get your nephew one. You can pick any kind, and you can have clothes for it. And you can name it.
Yep. Alright, talk to you guys later.
Coming nowhere. It's going crazy.
Wala na deer labo.
Where?
Over there.
Oh no, I'm afraid of that deer.
It's a wild deer.
Dabana is a Filipino word for altar. This shrine is a sanctuary that brings together the faith and culture of the Filipino people. Its roof is shaped like a salakot, a traditional Filipino wide-brimmed hat. Its walls are made of kapis. A flat seashell commonly used on windows of Filipino homes. In the center of the shrine are three sculptures. Our Lady of Bambana, surrounded by three angels, represented the three major islands of the Philippines: Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Santo Niño de Cebu, the oldest relic in the Philippines, written on the bamboo stand in the Cebuano Hill, Mary in Bayban in the ancient Filipino alphabet. San Lourdes is the Filipino saint. This shrine is a testimony to the Bayanihan community
Collaborative
spirit of the Filipino people in Oregon and S.W. Washington. Our Lady of Dambana is unique to the grotto. It is especially dedicated to the Filipinos in the we don't know what this word is.
Portland.
Of Portland in Oregon. So we are top of the mountain. There's Mother Mary, and
Show them we were at earlier.
we were down there. Oh. Don't drop the camera. That's how far we walked and hiked. So if you haven't if you didn't know yet, but this is a place where you can do Station of the Cross, pray to Mama Mary, our Lord, and all the different saints, and
It's a place of solitude, peace. It's a place of solitude, peace, and prayer.
We are here at
Multnomah Falls!
and Chelsea's.
Pagod na pagod ako.
Here's that, like, we're going to hike, I was like, 3 hours drive, blah blah blah. Complain for more. Alright, so
Wow, look at that,
Multnomah
Auntie.
Falls. Here we go.
Been a long time.
So we're walking up the trail, going up to see that bridge in Multnomah Falls. The last time we were here was in November 2015, and I am not fit.
So that's the water from Multnomah Falls. From that, going all the way to
Auntie's there.
Mhm.
That's my auntie. She's in the water. She said she's gonna make laba.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Train, beep, 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 beep.
We just finished eating dinner at Chinese Dynasty.
Golden Dynasty.
Golden Dynasty. And then we are witnessing the nice sunset that Portland, Oregon has provided. But right now, oh, there it is.
Look at the sun.